Alright, now that cup 1 is prepared with your distilled water, your shampoo, and your salt, we're going to go ahead and add the banana to it. You should have rinsed your spoon off just so it's not drippy and gooey. Have that on standby. You're going to come over to me where I will have the large container of banana. You're going to get 3 spoonfuls of banana and you're going to put it right into cup 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now slowly stirring again is the key. You're going to stir this for about 10 minutes, very slowly. You need to stir it constantly for that 10 minutes. If you do not, we will not get good results. Some foam is unavoidable. This amount is okay. Much more than that, you're going to have to start over. We're now going to start on step 5. We're going to need our coffee filter, cup 2, and our slowly, carefully stirred solution that is currently in cup 1. We're going to place our coffee filter inside cup 2, and we're going to fold the edges over so that it's kind of hard to see through the cup, but the filter does not go to the bottom of the cup. You want your strained solution not sitting in the liquid pouring through. Okay? You'll see what I mean in a minute. We're going to take our solution from cup 1, just give it a little mix to get it in suspension, and I'm going to carefully pour it into the filter. You need to stop if it gets to the top of the filter, otherwise it will overflow onto the table. So you're going to carefully pour your solution into the coffee filter all the way. It will drain through. You need to hold the filter in place and allow the solution to drain to the bottom of the cup. You're going to need at least 5 milliliters, which covers about the bottom of the cup, maybe up to 1 centimeter deep. Alright, we're going to start on step 7 now. We're going to use the test tube in the test tube rack. We're going to use the rubbing alcohol. When you are ready for this step, you are going to politely call for me, and I will come over to your station with my handy dandy bottle of rubbing alcohol. I will pour some into your test tube. I can do this, whoop, no, I cannot do this without spilling. That's okay though. Alright, so I'm going to pour about that much into your test tube. Leave this on your table, ready to go. With the assistance of your lab partner, you're going to go to the trash can in the classroom. I will have it in the middle of the room. Your lab partner is going to use 2 hands to hold on to the cup. If you drop it in the trash can, you have to start over. You will then take your coffee filter, use 2 hands so that it does not drop into the bottom of the cup or pour back into the bottom of the cup, because that's been already filtered. You're going to drip that off so you don't get it all over the place, and you're going to go ahead and throw that away. You're going to use 2 hands and carry it back to your lab station. Thank you, lab partner. You're going to use your medicine dropper to get 2 dropperfuls of the banana substance into the dropper. To do that, you're going to squeeze the dropper top all the way, put it into the liquid, and release. Drop that into your test tube. We're going to do that 2 times. So that was 1. 2. We're going to sit that aside. Now the key point here is you are going to let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes completely undisturbed. That means you cannot touch the table, the test tube, or the test tube rack. Leave this completely by itself for 2 to 3 minutes and you should start seeing some things happening. Get ready to make some observations on your lab paper.